Trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth. Man suffers only because he takes seriously what the gods made for fun. Muddy water is best cleared by leaving it alone. You are an aperture through which the universe is looking at and exploring itself. You are a function of what the whole universe is doing in the same way that a wave is a function of what the whole ocean is doing. Try to imagine what it will be like to go to sleep and never wake up. Now try to imagine what it was like to wake up having never gone to sleep. Problems that remain persistently insolvable should always be suspected as questions asked in the wrong way. A scholar tries to learn something every day, a student of Buddhism tries to unlearn something daily. When we attempt to exercise power or control over someone else, we cannot avoid giving that person the very same power or control over us. Never pretend to a love which you do not actually feel, for love is not ours to command. If we cling to belief in God, we cannot likewise have faith, since faith is not clinging but letting go. You and I are all as much continuous with the physical universe as a wave is continuous with the ocean. If, then, my awareness of the past and future makes me less aware of the present, I must begin to wonder whether I am actually living in the real world. Words can be communicative only between those who share similar experiences. The clash between science and religion has not shown that religion is false and science is true. It has shown that all systems of definition are relative to various purposes, and that none of them actually grasp reality. We do not come into this world, we come out of it, as leaves from a tree. It's better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing, than a long life spent in a miserable way. I find that the sensation of myself as an ego inside a bag of skin is really a hallucination. The source of all light is in the eye. For there is never anything but the present, and if one cannot live there, one cannot live